Welcome back to the second lecture of Laplace Transform. Hope you all have completed the homework from the previous lecture. Answers are: today I am going to explain what is first shifting theorem and how to apply first shifting theorem to Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Also, we will discuss change of scale property of Laplace transform. Okay, so first shifting theorem says that if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e raised to at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. That is, you simply replace s by s minus a. That is equivalent to L inverse of f of s minus a equal to e raised to at into f of t, where the small f of t is the inverse of f of s. Prove that first shifting theorem. Okay, given that L of f of t equal to f of s, that is integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt equal to f of s. Consider L of e raised to at into f of t. By definition, this is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st e raised to at f of t dt. This is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus of s minus a t f of t dt. This is equal to f of s minus a. Okay, 11th problem. Evaluate L of e raised to 2t into cos 3t. So here this cos 3t is f of t and a is 2. You know that L of cos 3t, that is equal to s by s square plus 3 square, that is equal to s by s square plus 9. Therefore, by first shifting theorem, L of e raised to 2t into cos 3t, that is equal to, you simply replacing s by s minus 2. So s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 9. S square plus 2s plus 1 minus 1 plus 401. This is equal to s plus 1 whole square plus 400. Consider the given function 3s minus 137 by s plus 1 whole square plus 400. This can be written as 3s plus 3 minus 137 all divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 400. This is equal to 3 times s plus 1 minus 140 all divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 400. This is equal to 3 times s plus 1 all divided by s plus 1 square plus 400 minus 140 into 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 400. This is equal to 3 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 square plus 400 minus 10 into 1 by 20 into 20 by s plus 1 square plus 400. You multiply and divide by 20. Therefore, L inverse of 3s minus 137 by s square plus 2s plus 401 is equal to 3 times L inverse of s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 400 7 times L inverse of 20 by s plus 1 whole plus this become 3 times raised to minus t into cos 20t. This is 20 square. This is minus 7 times e raised to minus t into sine 20t. This is the answer. Next one, change of scale property. If L of f of t equal to f of s and c is any positive constant, then L of f of ct equal to 1 by c f of s by c. Its proof is similar to first shifting theorem, so I am leaving it to you. You should solve all this problem for the better understanding of the concept. See you soon with the next lecture of Laplace transform. Thank you.